Hold that thought. I've got to go and pee. Big man no say pee. Big man say piss. Big man say piss. What kind of pee you talk about? Little boy pee, big man piss. You never know that? Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. And today we are here with upcoming artist segment. This is the upcoming artist segment. Artists reach out to me. You don't know the thing already. We talk, and then if everything go well, then I react. So today, guys, I'm writing to J.Megiddo. I don't want to get the name wrong, brother. If I get the name wrong, I'm sorry. J.Megiddo, Pillar Talk. J.Megiddo. Megiddo. M-E-G-I-D-D-O. Megiddo. J.Megiddo. Big up yourself, bro. I am reacting to J.Megiddo today. Pillar Talk. Reaction time. I tell every artist that reach out to me, the young artist them, if your song is not good, I'm gonna tell you. So do not come to me if you know your song not good. I've never heard this song before, so let's jump straight into it and see what is what. Let's go. Washing machine, stop it nice. You don't have no manners. Every time people attack, you want to make nice. Next thing again, every time people attack, you got no brought up, see. It's that now. Washing machine. I was talking to the washing machine. Yeah. All right. So let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go, bro.
So what are you thinking about?
I give big hugs, not shy to get my traps out. I figured a little chat since I've been blowing your back out.
So, right after that, this is different. Basically, he's a poet. He's talking the talk. Let's see if the girl can walk the walk. Let's go again.
After the fornication, I like a bit of conversation. Otherwise, it can feel kind of awkward.
After the fornication, you sound so posh, brother. After the fuckings. Yeah, conversation. Sometimes if me can be bothered, that's what he's saying. After the hookings.
I like a bit of conversation. Otherwise, it can feel kind of awkward. I want to say thanks for letting me. Nah.
The only time you do that is when you really care about somebody. You're not gonna just do it to a one night stand, though. Who are gonna do it to a one night stand? Leave it in the comment section, cause me not in a one night stand. Like, if me just meet them, knock it. You know, no conversation time with you. Where say you hungry? You want some food? Yes, there's some food. Yeah, take it. Let's go. We're working. Let's go.
I've got this disturbance. It's like speaking to customer service. How did I score from 1 to 10? This is the conversation I have in my head.
Enough guys ask themselves that. I wonder how me do. I wonder if me do a good job. Babe, you come? What, like, you try to ask some little question sometime. Well, I do sometimes to try to get a feel of who I go and if we can get a second chance. So yeah, if I'm the only guy that does that, like, tell me, guys, tell me. Some girls do it too. Let's go.
There's some things about you I want to know, starting with your name. She says, my name's Sophie. I don't do this mostly. I'm down to earth and I'm low key. My favorite song is Annie, Are You Okay?
So much question you want to know? One lot of question, like, she get bored, brother. Annie, are you okay? Annie, you've been hit by, you've been struck by a smooth criminal. Yeah, right there, sir.
I like reading and a cheeky Netflix and chill. Rah, swear down for real. What shows? She says I like orange is the new black.
Bro, you ask her too much question. You ask her too much. We want to get married to her, brother. You want to get married to her, fam? I like his style, though. It's different. So there's definitely a place in the market for him. Because there's not much people. I think the last UK artist that was doing that was, what name? The Streets? The Streets was the last UK artist I hear doing that. So That's good, bro.
Housing, witching, and the show you, me. My name's Jay. I'm into the Punisher, Sons of Anarchy, Prison Break, and all of those psychological thrillers.
Bad series. Sons of Anarchy, bad. Me watch it. Prison Break, bad. Me watch it. Yeah, Punisher. Me not watch Punisher yet, but if I say it bad, Jay, me go watch it. You see me? So basically, she tell him what she's into. He's telling her what he's telling her now what he's into. So them have a nice conversation and it flow. Let's go.
Not gonna lie, I've seen all of them unapologetic serial killers. She stares with a moment in silence and said, when OP died, I nearly smashed my TV in a moment of violence. Jeez.
So basically, she's getting all emotional into the drama as well. Okay. Let's go.
Give her a high five. I tell her straight, you have the body of a goddess. You know how to throw it down. The way you arch your back like a panther on the prowl. You hold the...
So she arch her back like a panther on the prowl. Dog, you're a smooth criminal, brother. You are a smooth criminal, my friend. You are doing it. Yeah, let's go.
The warmth between your thighs, I felt it open up. The way you wind that waist, spelling coconut when you ride, I continue to probe.
The way you do what? Wait a minute.
Waist, spelling coconut. Warmth between your thighs, I felt it open up. The way you wind that waist, spelling coconut when you ride, I continue to probe.
Spelling coconut or smelling coconut? The way you wind that way, smelling coconut?
Wind that waist, spelling coconut when you ride, I continue to probe.
The way you wind that way, spelling coconut, I continue to probe. Spelling coconut. Okay.
Do you like socks on or socks off? Lights on or lights off? I'm a lights off, socks on kind of guy, ain't gonna lie.
No, I'm not. That's not me. Me can't sleep in no socks. Me no want no socks for my foot. Once me come out of the shower, me no want no socks unless I'm going outside. Me no want no socks for my foot. My foot have to breathe. My foot have to feel nice and can move my toes. You know what I mean? Yeah, me no want no socks. But each of them one. Me no want no socks for my foot, brother. Me no want no socks.
Oh, and do you like conspiracy theories? She laughed and said, I noticed in Jay, I know you're an artist. And I've seen you paint. And tonight, my body was the canvas.
Whoa. I've seen you paint. I know you're an artist, not like Picasso, But he might paint picture with words. And he never published one book. Reference from Bugsy. Big up Bugs. Let's go, G.
Every stroke has a meaning, precise, meticulous feeling. We're dancing to my steps. How big are those biceps? And the answer is yes. I have my own little theories on the JFK assassination, fake moon landing, vaccines.
Everybody have their own theory. Some people say, yeah, get the vaccine is good. It'll go cure everything. Some people say, nope, not today. Yeah, landing on the moon, same thing. Same kind of thing. Same, who killed JFK, the same kind of thing. So, yeah, I think everybody have them own little, yeah.
And depopulation. And don't mention them aliens. I'll save all that for later. She says some guys ask to do porn and want to do orgies, but it's over in 10 seconds like a Snapchat story.
What? How can I argue me over the 10 seconds? Like a Snapchat story? Fam, what go on there, brother? What kind of workless boy them? That boy need some sassy perla. He needs some spirulina. He needs some magnum. He needs some Guinness punch. He needs every kind of punch. He needs some changback. He needs some tan panny lang. For those who don't understand what tan panny, stay on it long. That he needs some of them something for make him. What with him?
And don't mention them aliens. I'll save all that for later. She says some guys ask to do porn and want to do orgies, but it's over in 10 seconds like a Snapchat story.
Oh my days, that is a violation, blood. She violate him. Oh my good.
You think that's deep? He rolled over and fell asleep. I laugh and say you got jokes and I like the vibes that you bring.
That time, come in at 10 second roll over. Yo, my chest.
Turn and look at her and say, you want to make this a regular thing? She smiles. I tell her, hold that thought. I I need to go pee. I look.
Yo, he's really in love with this girl. He's really in love with this girl, dog. Hold that thought. I've got to go and pee. Big man no say pee. Big man say piss. Big man say piss. What kind of pee you talk about? Little boy pee, big man piss. You never know that? Little boy pee. Big man take out hood and piss. Little boy take out penis and cuckoos. Big man take out hood and body and piss.
Oh, my chest. I can't breathe. Oh, shit.
Look in the mirror and say to myself, don't screw this up, no matter what you do. I'll come back in the room, cut the lights and say I hope you're ready for round 2.
There's trouble there now. Round 2, you know what I'm saying? Yo, round 2. If you pop off too quick in a round 2, not 1 minute though, not 10 seconds though. You know, if you pop off too quick, the first round kind of quick, but the second is a monster. Yeah, the first round kind of quick, but the second is a monster. No coming or going. None of that. Straight. Dagger. Make your ball, dagger. Make your ball, dagger. Dagger. Yeah, dagger. Yo. That's his name. That's his name.
Round
That's
2.
his name. That's his name. As J. Okay. J.Megiddo. J. You say that? I don't know. Big up J. Sophie. Directed by him also. Okay. Talented. That's his Insta guys. Go and give him a link up at the top. The girl, if you want to talk to the girls here, then that's all. Yo. Very different track. I'm really happy with that track there. It's nice, you know. It's simple but effective because it might talk everything what most man or most couple do after sex. Like them talk about certain things, especially if at the grace period, they getting to know your period, you know. The 2 months before the argument start and the bad habit start and man start lift the tally seat and not putting it down and the girl a cuss or she a fart in her sleep or she a burp too loud and them thing they are, you know, eat to them more to yeah, them time the relationships are, yo, I say this to you. I never know say I say it nasty, like fix up yourself. Yeah, at the grace period this. So I like it. Jay, big up yourself, fam. Nice video. I like that video, I'm a G. So, guys, if you could click on the link down below, go over the channel and support him by telling him say JWG send you over there under the comment section. You know, give him some love. You know what I mean, guys? So big him up and I'm out of here. Peace out.